Hello, with this video we'll show how results provided by CalcBuilder extension can be linked to Virtuemart card. We will create a new calculator, so we click New at the top menu. We need the extended version of CalcBuilder component, which is called CalcBuilder for shopping cart, so we will see the Virtuemart options tab here. We'll go back to this configuration later. Now we'll enter basic data for the calculator. We'll insert the title at the General tab, and we will add a couple of inputs at the fields section. We will add a width input field and a height input field, both numeric inputs, which we will configure to be integer numbers, that's to say with 0 decimal places. Okay, we save and we will create a default input form containing these inputs. We go to form layout and we create a one-column layout with a couple of clicks. We save and go back to calculator configuration. At the code section, we must write the math needed to perform the operations. We will calculate here a simple output, the square meters according to user input of width and height. So we write the expression. And we save. We will create a simple output as well to print which is the result of the calculator. We will just print, for this project you will need square meters of artificial grass. Done. We can save and go back to main configuration page. As we want to use calculator output to link with the shopping cart, we will go to Virtuemart tab. With the first option, we will tell CalcBuilder if the calculator output is just calculating the quantity of a specific product that will be added to the cart. In that case, we should select Use Existing Products, or if the calculator is also changing the price of the product. Virtuemart doesn't allow same instance of the same product be attached with dynamic prices. If your calculator will set the price and or the quantity of the products to be added, you need to choose this option instead. We will first assume the product will have a fixed price, that we already have the product created at Virtuemart, and that the calculator will find the quantity needed. For this case, we select Use Existing Products. Select the product we want to link here, and when we save, we'll find below the code we must use to link calculator results with cart checkout. We can copy these lines here and place them at the calculator code. We change the text for the required calculation. We'll assume we'll need square meter units of this product, so we write here the result. Also, we'll configure the Bootstrap CSS. We are working with Joomla 2.5 and save the calculator. We'll go to module configuration to set this new calculator to be shown, and to select the Add to Cart button to be visible when showing results. If we check the front-end view, we are asked to enter the two inputs, and when pressing Calculate, we'll see the output section and a new button that will link to cart view. If we click this button, we can see our square meters result is added as the quantity of this product, and we keep the fixed price of the product, which is $25. This is already the default Virtuemart cart view, so users can continue checkout from here. Let's empty our cart and go back to calculator configuration. We want to introduce some changes. The artificial grass we'll add to the cart needs some additional equipment to be installed. We'll change a little bit the Virtuemart links, adding a tool set and a special layer of mesh. That it's a product we want to include at the cart using the same quantity, square meters, than the artificial grass. We add the products using this button. And when we save, we see some more lines have been added to the expression section. we already had the first product line, so we copy these two last ones and we copy it at the code section. Each time add to cart is pressed, we want 1 unit of tool set to be added and square meters again of the mesh layer product. We'll also change the output section to add the new. Instead of the previous output, we'll show for this project you will need square meters of artificial grass, square meters of mesh layer, and 1 tool set. We'll save and check the result. We introduce the size of our garden and press calculate. The output is shown here, and now the add to cart button will recover the calculated quantities and add these 3 products to the cart. Let's press the button and we can see the product lines with our calculated quantities here. You can download this example from customer area and import from your CalcBuilder, so you can play with it and introduce some changes to get familiar with all options. Remember to check the Virtuemart tab to generate the proper links with your own Virtuemart products, which could be different one from the example shown here. Please continue with the next video if you want to learn how to calculate dynamic prices and quantities for your products using CalcBuilder and link them to the cart checkout.